This is Bob the car salesman. Bob was frustrated because he couldn't get a grasp of his online classified marketing. Bob wasted countless hours managing his Craigslist ads and had no way to keep track of all his leads. That was until he found myautosearch.com, the one-stop shop for classified marketing and lead generation. With My Auto Search, he was able to keep track of all his classified ads and social marketing in one central location. He could also manage his inventory on sites like Craigslist, Backpage, eBay, Facebook, and Twitter. With My Auto Search, Bob can enjoy standard features that include organizing live listings, recording call tracking, receiving those leads through via SMS text in real time, and track views of his ads on all his different online classifieds and social marketplaces. Best of all, he is generating hard leads that he can access in one place at any time. Now Bob doesn't have to stress anymore. He can sit back, relax, and watch his leads come in. Sound too good to be true? Find out for yourself.